Okay, this video should show us how to get feedback on our Canvas assignments. So I thought that this was pretty well understood, but I think people are missing the feedback. So if you go to grades and you pull up your grades, you can scroll down and you want to find, for this one, we'll do the Unit 5 modeling assignment. So you click on this. Your feedback is in a couple areas. So one place might be here you can show your rubric. Okay, here is how your scores were separated into the individual parts based on the rubric that I shared with you guys. And if I left a comment in this section, there'll be a little speech bubble. So you can click on that and it'll give you a comment. And then you can close this, and the majority of your feedback is actually on the PDF that you turned in. So if you open this, there'll be little comment, these little indicators that I've had a comment. So you can expand this, and then when you look, you should have my comments on here on the stuff that you were missing. So hopefully this clears up any errors or any discrepancies with this stuff, so you guys know what it is that I was looking for, and you guys can get the feedback that I gave to you on your assignment. All right.